And is it correct that you changed your mind because Ndungu refused to agree to some of it, to relinquish some things to you, which was a condition for you to withdraw some of the complaint, according to you?
This is correct.
It is correct. So that if Ndungu had agreed,
No, I said if he agreed.
if he agreed, you withdraw them.
Yes, but he didn't.
Confirm to the Honorable Court that you have family differences with your brother.
That is incorrect.
That is incorrect. You don't have any family differences with your brother?
No.
Confirm that your brother, your parents left you a vast estate as the beneficiaries, as their beneficiaries.
I can confirm that.
Can confirm that. Have you agreed with your brother on how to share and distribute that vast estate which your parents left you?
Absolutely.
You've agreed?
Of course.
And have you facilitated your brother to access that which was given to him by your parents? You.
I personally?
Yes, you.
It's not my decision.
You are the one on the dock. Have you facilitated him to access what his father left him?
It is not my decision.
Have you facilitated him to get that which his father left him?
It is not my decision.
As a board member of the trust, have you done anything to give him his inheritance? I'm asking you a question.
Yes, I have.
Have you signed the transfer forms for him?
What transfer forms?
To transfer his property to him? Have you
cannot be. There can
I'm
be
asking you a question. Have you signed any transfer form to give Ndungu that which his father left him? You, where you stand there today?
I have not.
You've not. Confirm that you've since taken possession of your family house at Ridgeways.
Yes, so has
You.
So has he.
I'm asking you.
Yes, I have, and so has he.
You've taken possession of your family home at Ridgeways, correct?
I have, and so has he. Taken the Lavington home.
We are coming to that. You are the one on the dock today.
Yes.
Sorry, a witness. You answer the questions on their part without necessarily having to talk about it.
With all due respect, Your Honor, I don't see how these questions have any relevance to this case.
You're in the dock. Okay?
Thank you.
So as we do this well without necessarily looking like we're antagonizing. Okay?
Yes.
When you took possession of the Ridgeway's house, did you discuss with your brothers, including Ru?
No.
You did not. And are they in agreement of you taking possession of that house?
Yes.
Are they in agreement?
My brother, older brother.
I'm asking him.
Oh, you did say don't.
I'm asking, is he in agreement?
I don't know. I haven't asked him.
I'm asking you, have you gotten his consent for you to take the house in Ridgeways?
I have not asked him.
Have you been asked by your uncle to move out of the Ridgeway's house?
No.
You've not been asked.
Not at all.
At a family meeting, have you been asked to move out?
No. By the way, I'm not even living in the house.
Confirm to the Honorable Court that on 2 occasions, you've led police officers to your brother's house to have been arrested.
I have.
You did indicate in your testimony that the persons who've been to Kihingo were conducting nefarious activities, correct?
This is correct.
Independent of this case, have you ever reported those 3 persons before any police station?
Yes.
Which police station?
Gigiri.
What OB number?
I don't know the
You don't know the OB number. Are you aware if they have been arrested or those complaints that you may have raised?
No.
No. Have you ever reported any nefarious activity to the management company in charge of the village? You.
We discussed as
Have you ever reported any nefarious activity done by the folk to the management company?
Who is the management company?
I'm asking you a question. Have you ever reported to the management company, you, Freddy Gethenji?
I am the management company.
You are the management company. Therein starts the problem.
How is
So
that?
you make decisions as management company.
No, we make decisions as a board.
So when I asked you in your personal capacity, have you ever reported any nefarious activities by these 4 or 5 persons to the management company?
Yes, I have.
You have. What's the nature of that report? Do you have the letter?
I do not have the letter.
Do you have the OB? There's an occurrence book at the village, correct?
Yes, there is.
There's an occurrence book. Say that loudly because I know
There is an occurrence book.
There is an occurrence book. In that occurrence book, is there any report? Did you avail that book to the investigating officer?
I could not.
You did not avail it.
I could not. I said did not. I said could not.
I'm asking you, did you avail it?
It was stolen.
Did you avail it?
How can I avail something which was stolen?
You did indicate that the developer does not own any property in the village, correct?
Correct.
Just for good measure, in terms of ownership of the developer, who are the members of the developer company? Just want to capture that.
It was my late mother.
Your late brother?
She rest in peace.
Yes.
My older brother Robert Gethenji,
Your older brother Robert Gethenji?
Dongo Gethenji,
Ndomo Gethenji, the first accused,
and myself.
and yourself. So at the moment you are 3.
Correct.
In whose name is the mother title to Kihingo registered?
Presently, it is registered in Kihingo Village Limited.
The mother title, yes. It
The
is
mother
name of-
title is Wagema Limited. Oh,
It
no,
is the mother title is the name of-
For Kihingo,
Yes.
it is Kihingo Village Limited.
Who are the directors of Kihingo Village Limited?
Robert Gethenji,
Robert Gethenji,
Dongo Gethenji,
Ndomo Gethenji,
and myself.
and yourself. That is the owner of the mother title, correct? I want us to confirm that position, correct? Ready?
Presently.
Correct, confirm that.
Presently.
And on that mother title, there is registered sub-leases, correct?
Correct.
And those sub-leases are in respect to the identified demarcations for the respective 55 units, correct?
This is correct.
That is correct. And I want to remind you that you are under oath. And what happens to the remainder? Sorry, before you go there, how big is Kihingo Village in terms of acreage?
Approximately 38 acres.
Approximately 38 acres, correct?
Correct.
And there are developed and undeveloped parts of the village, correct?
Correct.
In your own estimation, how many acres of Kihingo Village is developed? Where the houses, the 55 houses?
I cannot give you an answer.
Give us an estimate. Is it 100% developed or they are open areas?
They are open areas.
They are open areas.
Yes. The majority of the place is developed.
Majority is developed, but they are open
They are
areas.
open spaces.
Did you, as the developer, issue a lease or a sublease in regard to Bustani Clubhouse?
Never. Ever.
So, Bustani Clubhouse falls under whose ownership in that
Falls
village?
under the management.
I'm
company.
talking in terms of title. In terms of title, you've told us there are subleases in respect to the 55 units, correct?
Correct.
Did you issue a sublease in respect to Bustani?
We did not.
You did not. So Bustani remains in the name of the mother title. That is the Waridi Garden, your company.
Yes,
King
sir.
of Village, your company.
Can I answer your question?
I'm asking you a direct question, just one of my questions.
Yes.
It remains.
Correct.
Correct, it remains. And it's also your testimony that you wanted your brother to transfer this Bustani to the residents of Kihingo Village, correct?
I'm sorry, just repeat that question.
You wanted your brother to transfer Bustani to the residents of the village, correct?
Incorrect.
It's incorrect. Who should own Bustani?
The resident.
The residents should own it. Is your brother agreeable to that?
It's not his decision.
I'm asking you, is he agreeable to that, to the best of your knowledge?
I don't know.
Have you ever asked him?
No.
And that is why you brought him to court. Because you want to force him to transfer Bustani.
That is conjecture.
I put it to you that it's the control of Bustani that you've made your brother come to court.
That is incorrect.
It has now come,
That is hearsay.
it has now come to this, that you will put pressure on your brother to transfer his father's property to other persons, even at the extent of having him charged in court. Let's go back. Who is the chairman of the management company of the village?
Presently,
Even at the material time when this was happening.
he was the chairman.
Who is we? Tell the name.
Dungo Gethenji.
Don't give me the first accused.